Guys, I literally told you all not to do this just a few months ago in a video. And look, here I am. Yeah, that's right. I freaking did it. Now, I do have a few reasons, but overall, I literally broke my own rule. Let me explain. So a while back, I did a video on our giveaway White 93 GT about is heads cam intake worth it? And of course I said yes, it's definitely worth it. Makes good power, all that. What I also said in that same exact video, just a few months back, was if you cheap out and go with a lesser heads cam intake, you're not going to be happy. So what I meant by that in that video was the old school GT40 stuff does increase power, but I also said in that video for the money, time, all of that invested for what's involved with a heads cam intake, the power to dollar time ratio just doesn't add up. Look, I'll be the first to admit I've got a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot invested in this motor, and guys, I've got to be honest, it's a turd. It just is what it is. I do believe my F-150 would outrun it. I don't know. So, what in the hell do I do now? What do I do? Well, I guess I should probably take my own advice. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. So, take my advice in 3, 2, 1. Well, damn, that was easy. Let's see what the hell we got. All right, so let's go through what we got. So we got the SVE 170 aluminum heads. And fun fact, you can't buy these or their 185s right now because they're out of stock. They literally sold out in like a week of all of these heads. But you know what? You know who got some? Your boy got some. Oh yeah. So, what else do we got? Brand new TFS intake. Oh, they're beautiful. I didn't even want to take it out of the bag because I didn't want to get it scratched. And then, of course, the TrickFlow Stage 1 cam. Actually, that is not the TrickFlow Stage 1 cam because it hasn't arrived yet. So I got a dummy there just for your viewing pleasure. But, you know what is even cooler about this thing? It's not for me. Yep, I got you. All this stuff, this whole top-end power pack, isn't for me. It's for you. Let me explain. So you guys know we just wrapped up 2 giveaways. The first one was the Tremec T56. Shout out to Brian Shue of South Carolina on scoring that one. And then we also did the SVE LMR wheel and tire package giveaway. Trinity Whitfield of North Carolina won that. Congratulations, Trinity, by the way. We did a live stream on that last week. This is our 3rd giveaway. Top end power pack of stuff you basically can't get. I'm not even sure you can get the TrickFlow intake right now. I know it wasn't in stock for a while. I don't know if they're back in stock. Most people are saying all they can find is the lowers or the uppers or something like that. All I know is they're getting extremely hard to find, but guess what? I've got them and I'm giving them to you. So guys, just like the other ones, it's very simple. Hop on the foxcast.com/shop, grab anything in the store, every $5 spent. Get you 1 entry to win this entire top end kit, shipped to your door, bolted on, make some freaking power. Because you know what? We all want power. You can use this for anything up to 95. Obviously, you'll need an elbow adapter on the 95, or just, you know, I don't know what you're gonna do with it. Keep it, sell it, put it on an F-150, make it work. I don't know. Any 5.0, you're good to go. And I gotta say, it'll make hella good power too. The most important thing, guys, you've gotta bear in mind about this giveaway, it's only 7 days. So you gotta jump on the website right now. We're adding merch basically daily. But you don't have a lot of time. The first one we did 45 days, second one we did 30 days. This one is 7 freaking days. So you cannot procrastinate. You've got to get on the website right now, grab this stuff. We've got all kinds of epic merch. We got the 5.0 stuff. We got all kinds of great merch on the website. Stop in there. Like I said, every $5 spent, get you one entry. So going full circle back to Pop's car. I wasn't lying when I said it's a turd. Now that's a relative term. If you drove nothing but stock cars your entire life, it'd probably feel all right to you, but it is. Especially for the money and time invested. So, what's coming next for Pop's car? I'm not sure yet. We did just do the stall and the shift kit, which did help, but not a lot. So, the future of Pop's car is uncertain. The only thing I do know is it's not going anywhere. What form it may take, that remains to be seen. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Jump on the website right now, grab your stuff, only 7 days. Win this top end kit, and keep it tuned right here. You never know what I'm gonna do to frickin' Pop's car, because hey, it's just begging to be modified.